Hello, doctors. In today's video, I will guide you how you can get Dubai Health Authority DHA license. DHA pathway is to help you secure your DHA General Practitioner license all by yourself. This tutorial is packed with valuable insights, and to make it easier for you, we've broken it down into 3 key steps. Step 1. I will guide you through the process of creating your account on the Sheryan Portal to generate your all-important DHA ID. This foundational step sets the stage for your entire licensing journey. Step 2. Discover how to use your DHA ID to book your exam on the Prometric website. It's a complicated step, but we will walk you through it. Make sure you watch all the video. Step 3. Learn about the Dataflow Verification process. Using your DHA ID, we'll show you how to efficiently you can upload all the necessary documents required for your licensing application. Note Step 2 and Step 3 can go side by side. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the DHA pathway, empowering you to confidently pursue and obtain your DHA GP license. Let's dive into the whole process. Type Sheryan Portal on Google. Open the DHA website as shown in video. Now, click on the login button on right corner. As we don't have DHA account right now, so we will click on the registered section. Fill down all the credentials. Make sure you use correct spellings of your first and last name. Lastly, click on the register button. If you face any problems during all the process of making an account, DHA provides excellent customer services. Click on Ask DHA on the bottom right corner. Now that the DHA account has been created, please enter your DHA username and password to log in. This account serves as a centralized platform where all your documents from Dataflow will be linked for verification. Additionally, your declared results will be displayed within this account. Your application for DHA license will be proceeded through this account. For now, we require the DHA ID. Let's proceed to the second step. Now, we will use this DHA ID to create an account on Dataflow. Dataflow will verify your documents. If you don't know which documents need verification, I have provided the link to the self-assessment in the description section. Type Dataflow in the Google search section. Click on the Dubai Health Authority section. Fill in all the credentials, including the DHA ID created earlier. A new window will open where you will be required to fill in all the data, including your mobile number and passport details. The next step would be to enter the details of the documents needed to be verified. Skip the logbook section. As for the payment package, mostly, package 2 is enough for doctors. If you have more than 2 experience letters, you can choose an additional package as well. The third step involves booking the DHA exam. Begin by searching for Generate DHA Computer-Based Test Eligibility ID on Google. Enter your DHA ID and complete the necessary fields as per the instructions. This process will generate a unique DHA Eligibility ID, which is essential for booking the DHA computer-based exam. Subsequently, search for Prometric DHA on Google and open the Prometric website as demonstrated in the video. Navigate to the Schedule section and follow the steps outlined. Paste your DHA eligibility ID and provide the first 4 letters of your last name. The testing window will appear, indicating when you can book the exam. The next step involves selecting your preferred exam date and proceeding to the payment section. Congratulations, your exam is now successfully booked.